Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. Today I'm gonna show you how I made this beautiful achieke, and stay tuned and let's dive into it. When making achieke, all you need is a fish, any type of a fish, but I use a tilapia and onions, my bell peppers, plantains, shrimps, and Garri. I have already seasoned my tilapia fish with Maggi, salt, and a little bit of black pepper. Now I just finished cutting my vegetable. This is my tomato, my bell peppers, and onions. And then I have cut plantains into a nice shape that I always like. This is how I like my plantain shapes to be. Yeah, so let's get started by frying the plantains. The frying looks beautiful. I like the way the fish looks. They looks beautiful. Now I'm gonna add the shrimps. I'm gonna fry it. After frying the shrimps, now I'm gonna add my onions and my veggies, my bell peppers. So this is my Maggi, my black pepper, and my garlic powder. Just add it into it, and then I'm mixing. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar, just a little bit. Yeah. And I'm adding an onion powder on it, and then a little bit of black pepper, just some more. This is a spice made by my mom, and then she usually keep it in the fridge. Yeah. Now that my sauce is done, I'm gonna add the tomato because they're very soft, so I didn't want them to really cook. And I'm gonna add the fried shrimps in it. Yep, and that's it for the sauce. this is my garri. I'm gonna start making it by adding an oil and then mixing it, and yeah, keep mixing until everything, the oil get equal. And I'm still gonna add some oil because the garri is very dry. In order to keep it soft, you have to add water and oil, and then heat it up by a microwave or by your stove, but I'm gonna use a microwave. I know in Gambia we usually susal it. Well, we ngasalende dal. You know what I mean when you I really have to mix this very well so I can feel the texture that is okay to be in the microwave. Now that I feel like the texture is okay, and I am about to put it in the microwave so it can be soft, and see if it's not enough, I'm gonna put it back again, and yeah, so you will get to see. So I just took it out of microwave, and it was there for just 3 minutes because it is not a lot. So yeah, so I just put 3 minutes, and I'm gonna put it back again, so I have to mix it again. And usually I add butter because butter helps it get more soft, and add a little bit more of water and then put it back in the microwave again, so you get to see. So here is my butter that I'm adding to the garri. It helps it get soft. Yep. I am basically using my hand to detangle the ones that are tangled together. Yeah, then later on I'm gonna put it in the microwave for 5 minutes, and that's it. No more in the microwave. Hopefully it gets better, and yeah. Now it is out of the microwave. As you can see, it is now more softer than before. It is soft now. So I'm gonna add this purple onions. It gives it a taste, a goo. I mean, the Wolof call it a goo. Yeah. So if you try it, this recipe, you will understand what I'm saying. So now my curry is done, and I'm about to serve it on the plate, and yeah. So this is how I serve it before on the plate, to take a picture of it, and then later on I change it. I did another organization. Well, yeah, I organized it in another way round. This is how we ate it. And I hope you guys love this video. Give it a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.